Indian dance choreographer Prabhu Deva choreographed 2 songs for Kannappa. I spoke to him about his experience choreographing for the film. Take a listen. The man who is known for his choreography in India and across the world, the big entertainer Prabhu Deva ji, is right here with us in Cannes. Prabhu ji, thank you so much for joining us on DD India. You are here for the release of the teaser of Kannappa. Tell us how you came on board there and how has your experience been?
No, I know. Vishnu and sir, Vishnu's father, Mohan Babu sir, is Mohan Babu sir is my elder brother, like that, and he is my younger brother. That's why one call I came.
How was the experience on the set? How was?
It was very good.
Yeah.
They did it in New Zealand, and I loved it. It was too good, and the production value is so big. They took care of me very well, so the experience was very, very good. The song came out very well. Very happy. The director is here. The director was very happy. The production is happy, so I am happy.
So, which is your favorite song in it?
Two songs are there. One is for him, for Kannappa, and one is his father, Mohan Babu sir. 2 songs are more good. And the young boy music, I asked who is the music director. He is a young boy who did it's a 7th century film. The music was modern, but yet it's in the film. It goes with the film. That was great, I thought. 2 songs are very good, very good.
How do you approach your choreography, Prabhuji? Because there's so much energy and your reflexes are so quick, and you just make sure that everyone is riveted to your dance steps. You're so magical when it comes to choreography. So how do you approach your choreography?
Oh, once we hear normally for me, once I hear the song, visual comes. According to it, I'll go it. Other than that, God, that's it.
What sort of preparation goes into it? I'm sure you prepare mentally for it, but from a choreographer's perspective, you could tell us the kind of preparation, the homework that goes into it.
Of course, we will take the song whenever the song is ready. When the song comes, we'll hear it. When the visual comes, according to visual, whatever I want, I tell them. I tell them I want this, that, X, Y, Z, property, location. Even the locations also I will tell sometimes according to it. If it's a dream song, it's a different. If it is a real song like going now, it's a different according to the film goes. But if I am comfortable, that way only I will do it. Yeah.
Are trends changing in choreography? Are you adapting to them? Because I see that there is a unique style to you. So if the trends are changing and if you're also following the trends, then how are you merging your style of choreography with the current trends?
See, I have to merge, as you tell, the trend is changing. I have to change according to it. So when the song is hit, we are changing, we think. If the song is flop, we are not changing. That's it. I can't go with the flow.
So personally, did you like the story of Kannappa? Are you excited to see the film?
It's not like a story. It's a real story. It's not like everybody loves it. It's a real story. How it is possible is the thing. And as he told many stories. Now, even I was thinking. Then they told he is the incarnation of Arjun. So many stories are there. If you go with Kannappa, it will go. You can do 100 movies in that. Sub-stories like that. It's a great story.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for speaking to us on DD India. So that was a conversation with the man who spells magic with his hand and feet, Prabhu Deva, the great entertainer.